Okay, we've got day number 5. How many of the available ingredient IDs are fresh? Fresh and spoiled. Ingredient IDs consist of a list, a blank line, a list of available ingredient IDs. The fresh ID ranges are inclusive. Ingredient ID 1 is spoiled because it does not fall into any range. Fresh. Okay. 3 of the available IDs are fresh. How many of the available ingredient? Okay. This one seems simple, but things that seem simple initially often become not so much. All right. So if we go ahead and run this, we should get our sample. We need to say ranges. Let's go ahead and try and get the ladder first, the IDs. So we should just get one hit. Program in way too many languages. I can't keep the syntax right. Okay, so we've got our list of IDs to check, and we need to check the ranges. Doesn't quite get us there, but now we can do List object is not callable. Okay. Three, four, five. Okay. So now what we can do is don't want to append. I want to extend. So now we get the whole thing. And now what we can do is we can say for IDs in ranges, if for, whoa, what, for ID in IDs, if ID in ranges total plus equals 1, total equals 0. Save this. We should get print total 0. Nice. Oh, because the integer, we get 3. Input. Oh, that's thinking hard. What? These are huge numbers. And it is still thinking. Yeah, definitely shouldn't take this long. So I need to go back to the drawing board. I bet that this, that's too bad. I bet that this would get the right answer. It's just too slow. because the size of this is so large. Which is kind of crazy. So what if we, instead of continuing to append to this, why don't we just make a set? Ranges.update. Because in theory that would cut out some dupes in here. It's still going to be too slow. Because yeah, these are massive numbers. So if it's iterating multiple thousands, for instance, oh, the computer is getting sluggish. Holy cow. Yeah, there's no way. It's going to go through. Wow. 4 trillion records just on line 1? That doesn't seem right. Yeah, there's no way that this is going to work. Yep, the ranges can also overlap. Oh, this is so broken. Let's try this instead. Let's try to just print the IDs. Just to see. Okay, so we can pretty easily get the IDs. That's not the part that is struggling here. Yeah, because we're just appending to a big old list. And then just for fun here, let's see if the IDs are, oops, duplicative. Okay, so there's 1,000 IDs. Really? Wow, I guess there are. What if we did a set of IDs? There's still 1,000, so we don't have to worry about those. And it's this code right here that is problematic and slow. How many of the available ingredient IDs are fresh? So yeah, we just need to fix this piece here and speed it up. Oh, what am I doing? We just need to see if it's less than or yeah, I'm trying to build these massive lists. We don't need to do that at all. What we can do is split this. We do still need that. I think we go back to a normal list here. We say append raw 0, raw 1. So for in IDs, if for raw in ranges if the raw 0 is inclusive, it said. $928. If we put this back to sample, we get 4. Ooh. The ranges can overlap if it's in any range. So we're counting, yeah, we're counting things twice because of this. Break. We get 3. Aha! Input 744. Heck yeah.